Okay, here it is. The Glarry Telecaster arrived. I ordered it on December 1st and it arrived the 7th. So here's the unboxing. Everybody wants one of these things. Here's your unboxing to take a look at. Should have a little bit of damage right there on the box. Hopefully that doesn't show on the guitar. A lightweight gig bag, dust cover like they say. You get a pick and a strap. And this one don't seem to have a tremolo bar like the other ones did that I saw on eBay. Sorry, YouTube. Okay, we got a sticker here. Oh, there is a tremolo bar. Let's see what we got here. We got a cord and a tremolo bar. Here's the guitar. Wow. That's not too bad. Get out of this thing there. Hard to get out of the covers. And we have a Telecaster. Holy moly. Switch. Out of tune. Okay, let's see what we got here. Throw this aside. If I can take a picture of this thing here. Alright. Pretty darn clean. So this thing was shipped to me $85. They did have a Black Friday sale where you could get a Stratocaster for $60, but I wanted a Telecaster, so there we go. There's the neck. Tuners. Wowzer. Okay, let's see what it weighs in at. Right under 6 pounds, 5.8 pounds. And let me get the string sizes that are on it. We have, looks like we're going to go with 9s on the bottom. 9 to 42s maybe. Looks good. There's a good shot of the bridge. Underneath the light here real quick. Single with the plastic still on the pickup. And that's it. Alright, I'll try to get you another story about it later, but there it is. One Telecaster.